ONGC Petro Additions Limited. Opal, redefining the future. India faces a massive demand for polymers and petrochemicals, fueled by robust economic growth. An ambitious dream was nurtured by the country's flagship oil and gas E&P company, ONGC, to add value to its naphtha by converting it into polymers. And what you witness today is the largest petrochemical complex of South Asia. The unique dual-feed cracker, the heart of the complex, runs on naphtha and C2C3. Opal has the competitive advantage of consistent supply of both these feedstocks committed by ONGC. The C2C3 extraction unit of ONGC is next door, while naphtha reaches Opal through dedicated pipelines from ONGC's nearby Hazira complex. Built with an investment of 30,000 crore rupees, the facility integrates the world's best technologies, producing 1.9 million tons per annum of polymers and chemicals. Such large capacities will alter the polymer market dynamics by easing the supply positions and providing the customers with quality product options. The polymer products are being marketed under the brand name of Opaline PP, Opaline HDPE and Opaline LLDPE. Dahej SEZ, where Opal is located, is India's front-runner PCPIR and the fastest developing chemical cluster in the country. Opal enjoys a strategic locational advantage of being well connected to major commercial centers by air, road, rail and sea. Today, Opal generates a direct employment for nearly 3,500 employees and indirectly engages a manpower of around 10,500. Mostly from surrounding communities. The mega petrochemical complex was dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi on the 7th of March 2017 at Dahej.
पॉलीमर्स का इस्तेमाल बढ़ने का सीधा मतलब है कि जो परंपरागत चीजें हैं जैसे लकड़ी, कागज, लोहा, मेटल, इनका उपयोग कम होता जाएगा। यानी ये हमारे देश के प्राकृतिक संसाधनों को बचाने में सहायक सिद्ध होगा। देश में पेट्रोकेमिकल सेक्टर इस समय बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। विशेषज्ञों का अनुमान है कि अगले 2 दशक तक ये सेक्टर 12 से 15% की रफ्तार से बढ़ेगा।
As India gears up to take the Make in India initiative forward, Opal's Made in India products will provide a tremendous boost to the nation's economy and give an impetus to the downstream industries. It is now all set to redefine the global petrochemicals landscape. Opal, redefining the future.